Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today, I got some things to show you and some things to do. But first, I want to show you what the deals me and Brian made. We've been shopping Facebook Marketplace. I know. Gets me in trouble all the time. But we come across some neat stuff. How about two 010 Chevy 350 blocks? These here, this one, we think it has been bored 30 over, but we cannot find no marks on the pistons showing such. But there is absolutely no ring groove. So far, the cylinders look good. We've yet to get it on a stand so we can really check it out. But we're thinking about using this in our quarter-mile Camaro. So we're going to get that looked at. And plus, we got another 350, about mid-70s. It's got the dish pistons. This one has flat tops. I'm figuring this is late 60s. This one here would be mid-70s. At least that's what the numbers on the head said. It's a 2-bolt main. This one's a 4. But they're both 010 blocks. This one here, also, cylinders look very good. They said both were running when they were pulled. And we got them well worth the price. And also, Brian come across all of these. 5 sets of small block Chevy heads. There's some 305 high outputs. There's one set of double hump gasser heads that have been just almost completely redone. 202 valves, the whole bit. And he got them for a remarkable deal. But today we are going to be working on El Caballero. There's 2 things I need to get done as soon as possible. First thing, I got to go to the machine shop and pick up my new pistons. And I've got to get this cleaned up. I got to get all this old paint off. But cylinders are ready. All we got to do is wash it, clean it, and this thing is ready to assemble. I mean, it is ready, but I've got to get all this old paint off so when I paint the block, it's going to hold. Now, Brian's was dipped, and all the paint is already gone off of his. So I've got to get mine to that point. So as soon as we get the lower end assembled, I can get the block painted and the heads painted, and we can start putting it all the way together. But first thing I'm going to do is we're going to get over here, and I'm going to start taking this firewall apart like I said in this last video. So let me get the camera set up, and we are going to go to work. Hello, everybody. Just a brief break here. I come up with an idea. A lot of people have asked, where can you donate? We'd like to send you something. Well, right now, until I can get the Corvette sold, a little bit short on cash. Doing this on a on a very, very slim budget. Most of the parts I've been paying off for the past 2 years. But anyways, I want to put a Amazon registry list. If you want to be a part of the Caballero build, go on there, check out the list, and if you see something that you can afford that you would like to send me for the Caballero, make sure you send me your name, send me your address. What I'm going to do is, when I get near the end of the build, I am going to design a custom sticker that says El Caballero participant or something along those lines, and I'll send it to anybody who donates. If you get one of the big ticket items, I will put that design on a t-shirt as well, if I can find somebody to do the t-shirts again. That has been a hard thing, being out here in the middle of nowhere, Oklahoma. But I will find someone, even if I have to pay for a custom run. If you get me some big ticket items, I'll get you a t-shirt, I'll get you a sticker. Heck, I may even send you a product that's been sent to me to review. I'll pick out something and send it to you, just as a thanks for helping me out on this project. I promise you it's going to be something unlike you've ever seen on a YouTube. At least I haven't seen anything like what I'm planning on doing. So stick with me. We'll see where it goes. But thank you all. Let's get back to it. All right, I got that firewall stripped. Steering column out, most of the cables out. Got to get back in there and release that. I'll work on that tomorrow. I am going to put an aftermarket throttle cable on it, just so it'll work smoother. New brake booster, new master cylinder. I want to take the engine mounts off. I'm going to put new engine mounts on. I want to take the power steering box off, but I got to find my my fork to knock that out with. I thought it was in my toolbox, but I can't seem to see it. So take that off, take this off, because all that's going to get replaced. Thinking about cleaning up the steering box, because the power steering worked very good on this. I mean, it was smooth, easy to turn. So I'm probably going to get a seal kit for that and reseal it, clean it up, paint it, put it back on. But for now, we're going to finish stripping down this frame. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I've been inside that car. My goal on this is I want to have the frame painted and the firewall ready to paint. Doors off, because I want to get the door jambs right in here. All of this, I want to get all that painted, ready to paint when I paint the engine. So that's what I'm working on. I'm supposed to be going to get my pistons in the next couple of days. When I come in tomorrow, I'm going to get everything off this frame, get me some brake cleaner, clean up. I mean, there's grease there, and that's brake fluid. So I think a can of brake cleaner will clean that up. Get that all clean. I'm going to get coilovers for the front. So I'm wanting to find me some urethane bushings to put in the A-frames, new ball joints, of course. Just go ahead and do all that new since I got it down this far. I mean, this car, there's no rust. There's a couple of spots in the doors, but if you remember, those doors are off of an 85. They're not off of this original. So I want to go through this whole thing and make it look good. But the plans are from here down, copper. Framework, satin black. Up here, gloss black. And I may take that off, clean it off, paint it a different color to put it back on so we got the VIN numbers and ID numbers and everything. But that's going to be it for this video. Thank y'all for joining me. We're getting to work on it. Feels good to be back out and get going again. Now I got a lot of stuff to clean up and detail. So I better get that oven there mounted up and ready, because I want to start doing some powder coating. This is going to be so much fun. Thank y'all a lot. Don't forget, the link down below is to my Amazon page. If you want to be a part of the El Camino or El Caballero build, I've got parts that I need. I want to try and fix it to where you can just order the parts right off the link and send them to me. Make sure you let me know who it is. If you get one of the high-end parts, I'll make it worth your while. I'll send you something from the shop. Heck, I may send you one of the tools that they send me to review. Who knows? But I'll make it worth your while. Thank y'all so much. We'll see you next time. Santa's Workshop.